NEET aspirants, on December 2nd, 2019, the National Testing Agency, that is NTA, released the application form of the National Eligibility Cum Entrance, commonly known as NEET. The syllabus was seen as never-ending. However, with proper preparation, nothing can stop to achieving it. Candidate must know the maximum number of questions come from the biology section, which is 90, whereas physics and chemistry contains only 45 questions. Now discuss about the marking scheme. Plus 4 marks for each correct answer, minus 1 marks is detecting every wrong answers, no marks for each unanswered questions. Plus 4 marks correct answer, minus 1 marks each wrong answer, and no marks for unanswered question. Understand? Now let us start the physics section. It is talk about the physics class 11th topics from NCERT. The topics are physical world and measurement, kinematics, law of motion, work, energy and power, motion of system of particle and rigid body, gravitation, properties of bulk matter, thermodynamics, oscillations, waves, behavior of perfect gas and kinetic theory. From class 12th, electrostatic, current, electricity, magnetic effect of current and magnetism, electromagnetic induction, alternating current, electromagnetic waves, optics, dual nature of matter and radiation, atoms and nuclei, electromagnetic devices. It's all about the class 11th and 12th NCERT topics, which is considered as in the NEET examination. So prepare it properly and achieving good marks. Now let us consider about the chemistry subject schedule. What is the topic in the NEET examination? From class 11, some basic concept of chemistry, structure of atom, classification of element and periodicity in properties, chemical bonding and molecular structure, state of matter, gases and liquid, also thermodynamics, redox reaction, hydrogen S block and P block elements, organic chemistry, some basic principle and techniques, hydrocarbons, environmental chemistry. It's all about the class 11th topics, which is considered in the class 11th NCERT. From class 12th, solid state solution, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, general principle and process of isolation of elements, D and F block elements, coordinate compound, haloalkanes and haloarenes, alcohol, phenol and ethers, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, organic compounds which is containing only nitrogen, biomolecules, polymer chemistry in everyday life. It is all about the from class 12th topics. Now come from the biology section, which is major part of the given examinations. From class 11th, diversity in living world, structure, organization in animals and plants, cell structure and function, plant physiology and human physiology. And from class 12th, reproduction, genetic and evolution, biology and human welfare, biotechnology and its applications, ecology and environmental. You remember one thing, there are removing topics are frog and earthworm. And from the physics section, the first topics which is removed from the physics, that is communication system, frog and earthworm is totally removed by the NEET syllabus, which is updating here. So you don't need to read communication system, frog and earthworm. What is the weightage of physics? Now we will discuss about the what is the chapter wise weightage of physics, chemistry and biology, which is class 11th question weightage are there. You can see by pausing the video. Class 12th question weightage chemistry class 11 question weightage, class 12th question weightage, biology class 11th questions weightage, biology class 12th questions weightage. So it is the weightage of the class 11th and 12th for NEET examinations. And for all the best of your NEET examination. Thank you. And if you have any queries about syllabus topics, you can discuss direct DM on my Instagram ID.